If you're one of those who want to convert your e-commerce website into an app but don't know coding, and hiring a developer is always an expensive and time-consuming thing, this is where the AppMySite comes in use. This app can help you to turn your e-commerce or WordPress website into a mobile app in just few minutes with the use of Virtual App Builder. This is Enoylity Technology, your best place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. So let's first start by going to the AppMySite's website, register and log in, and as the home page appears, click on Create New App. Then add your website here. For example, we are adding our website, that is goblissmart.com. Choose the CMS platform as WordPress. Give your app a name. Do make sure that this name will be listed on the App Store. Then click the Build App button. So this was the basic for all the websites I am converting into an app. Then in the Appearance module, we can work on the design of the app. Here you get many options for customizing different elements of your mobile app. Also, it shows a live preview of your progress. So this is how the page looks like. On the left side, we can see Appearance section, Connectivity, App Settings, App Preview, Download App, the push notifications and the app add-ons. So let's first design the icon. Here you can choose the background color that matches your brand color. Also, you can set the app text icon, choose the font color and size. Simultaneously, on the right side in the preview section, we can see how the app will really looks like. If you already have a logo for your app that you want to put as an app icon, select that by choosing the upload button. Choose the file and upload it. So once you are done with the app icon, and let's move to the design of your app's launch screen. Here the interface is much more similar to that of the app icon section. This is how the launch screen will look as the app will open up. You can set a background image or just select a solid background color, or you can have a combination of both. Also, if you are having any of your already selected picture, you can upload it, crop and save it. You can also pretty customize the logo text color, font size, or even the alignment setting. Once done, click next, and now let's design how the login and setup screen should look like. So here you can already see the settings are similar to the past section as we have just completed. Also, you can add your logo image on your background image. Just make sure that the logo should be transparent so it will look nice and neat. You can select the color theme you like I am very much fond of light and bright color, so here I will choose this one. As you feel everything is perfect, now let's switch to the color theme. Choose the color you want for the header and footer, and also for the text in it. So here we have reached the dashboard, which the user will see once they are into the app. Basically, this is the launchpad that will navigate the user for what they are actually looking for. So here on the right side, we can actually see a demo of how the app's interface will look like. We can scroll down with the help of arrow key and know what's more area needs a little bit of touch. You see this blue toggle, this will add or remove them from your dashboard, and a little setting icon will expand and you will see more options for that particular feature. You can also rename the section head if you want. So if you have a product that has multiple categories, then you can customize many things like the number of columns we need, or you can customize the icon for the product category by their size, color, shape and layout. Also, you can select a category you want to show, that can be parent category or a category having the most number of products, or just choose a category. As you are satisfied with everything you need, you can move on the next section, which is connectivity. Now you will be instructed to install the AppMySite plugin on your WordPress site. So basically this will add a necessary code to the site through which you can easily connect to the platform. So there are two methods. You can click on the download plugin, download the zip file and then upload it to your WordPress site, or just select go to my site option, which will direct you to a WordPress dashboard. Once the installation is completed, click activate. Here in the plugin section, you can see that the AppMySite login is installed, and once you are satisfied, go back to your AppMySite account and hit the verify button. Now it's time to verify it. Toggle that blue icon, copy the username and paste it in the administrative user section. Copy the AppMySite and paste it to the new application password name. Then click add new application password. This will create a random password which you have to copy and paste it here in application password and then click verify. And here a message will pop up as API key submitted successfully. So congratulations, your app is now completed and ready to go. But before moving further, let's take a look on a few other things that should be checked before you make it available for users to download. Let's go to the connectivity section, click on the troubleshooting, which will eventually check that everything is in a perfect condition. Do note that your app performance will be based on your website. So now in the app settings, general, here you can see the settings you have made in the starting and check them out. You can also add a business email, a phone number and a link to your terms and conditions. So all the informations will be made available in your app. So as we move to the app menu settings, you have two options here to choose which type of content should appear in your app's main menu. If you toggle the first blue switch, you can choose the content you want to link from your AppMySite menu, and toggling the second switch will enable you to select an existing menu you have created in your WordPress. Make sure you save the change, and for a confirmation you will see a message popping up. Now moving to the user section, you can choose how the user can access your app content. You can allow them to log in, register or guest browsing. Here you have an option to prompt users who are not logged in. Also you can find a social login feature and other features like Google login and Apple login. Now here in the post section, you can manage how the post will appear within your app, whether it be a web view or a grid view. Next we have a page tag, where you can see how the user can interact with your web page within your app. You get options to enable or disable the web view layout within your app. The last, social tab, where you can add links to your brand social profile so that the user can easily find you on the platforms where you are active. In the app review option, you can check how the app will run and will interact with the user. Once you are satisfied and done with the changes, if you have encountered any of them while having a preview, now it's time to download the app. In the download section, download the app from the preferred mobile app operating system by clicking the download button. As you will click, it will start building your app, which will take a few minutes once the download is done. And now you can submit both the version on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store to make that available on these two platforms. And here in the app add-on section, you get plenty of more options, like you can remove the AppMySite watermark uploaded to your store and get support for publishing them. Also you can get some more professional designs if you need. So this was all about the AppMySite. That is a pretty easy way to convert any of your e-commerce website or WooCommerce or a WordPress website into an app, that too within few minutes without knowing any code. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and also share this video with your loved ones. This is Enoylity Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.